Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fabrielle. I am primarily a makeup artist here in Orlando, but I do also dabble in other things beauty related. For today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I get my colored bangs. Now, if you're like me, you don't want to wear these fun colors all the time. So instead of going with a permanent or semi-permanent color, I went more with like a colored conditioner. These are from the brand Color Luxe, and I get these at Sally's. They're about $10. And basically it is a color depositing conditioner. So it's going to just add some color, but this color, what I like about it is that it washes out in about 4 washes. I did do the pink last time, and as you can tell, I've washed my hair, I want to say 4 times, and it's basically gone. I mean, it looks a little bit peach here, and that's a little left over, but it's basically gone. And although these do work better on lightened hair, like I will say they do also work on dark hair. It just won't come out as vibrant, but I kind of found this out on accident because I figured it wouldn't do anything to my dark hair. So I got a little bit back here. I don't know if you can see this, but a little bit of color got there too. Now I do own 3 colors from them. This one is blush, this one is silver, and then purple. And what I like about these is that they show you kind of like the diagram of what it'll look like at the bottom, and they get more vibrant and darker the more times that you apply it. The first time I used it on damp hair, which is what it suggests. And I will say it left it kind of like a pastel pink, but I did want it more vibrant. So the following time I used it on dry hair, which is what I'm gonna do today. And for today's color, I'm actually gonna do kind of like an ombre. I'm gonna do purple kind of closer to my roots, and then I'm gonna ombre it into the blush shade. Now let me tell you everything that you need. You're obviously gonna need the color conditioner, gloves. I didn't use gloves the last time I did this, but if I were doing more hair, I definitely would, because it would be on my hands for a longer time. But I am gonna use them today because since I am using the purple, which is a darker one, I just don't want to take my chances. So gloves, a brush and comb, a hair clip to section off your hair, a garbage t-shirt. I am going to be using my high school t-shirt, Go Cowboys, and then some saran wrap. Now this one isn't totally necessary, but since it is my bangs, I am just going to use it to kind of like protect my face and the rest of my hair from that getting on it. So I like that because I can see through it and I can kind of see how far along it is. So first things first, putting on my garbage shirt. As you can tell, this is like my painting shirt. We all have that one shirt that you cut it off and it's your painting shirt, your hair dye shirt, your cleaning the house shirt, all of it. I did already brush my hair, which is part of why it's so frizzy, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through it again. Then I'm gonna separate as best as I can just the blonde chunk in the front, and I'm just gonna put everything back in a hair clip. Look at that. Look at that damage. That's why people with dark hair can't go platinum blonde. You remember the Kardashians? They all went platinum blonde and then they all cut their hair. I'm gonna start with the purple, and I'm gonna do that probably about halfway. And make sure to use enough of this because you really want to saturate your hair. Okay, I hadn't thought about this right now, but I did rinse off my gloves to not transfer a bunch of the purple down to the bottom. So now I'm gonna go in with the blush and work from the bottom up. And then now to blend the two, make sure that you've saturated the bottom piece because you're basically not gonna touch it again. So now it doesn't matter, you don't have to clean off the gloves, just kind of blend the two together. And using my saran wrap, I'm gonna tuck it underneath and then wrap it. Again, there's no huge benefit to doing this. I'm really just doing it so that I can do things now and don't have to worry about this getting everywhere. So you can leave it on between 2 and 25 minutes. So I want it to be pretty vibrant, so I'm gonna leave it on for 25 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out with some warm water, not hot but not cold, just lukewarm, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so these are the results. So as you can tell, super stinking cute. Not gonna lie, I'm super obsessed with it. I will mention I did end up doing the process twice. Reason being is when I washed it out the first time, it was really pretty, but it just wasn't as vibrant as I wanted. And as I mentioned before, they do show in the diagram that the more you do it, the more vibrant it'll be. So I did go ahead and do basically a round 2. Guys, I am not a professional. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I love products like these that are just so easy for anyone to use. And the even greater part about it is that if it came out awful and I hated it, honestly, in a month, it's gonna be gone. It's gonna be basically washed out in 4 to 5 washes. But all right, that's basically it, guys. So if you guys liked this video or if you're gonna try out these products, comment down below and let me know. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to head over to Instagram to follow me there and DM me anytime so we can chat. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I feel like an anime character. I feel like Brad Mondo is gonna watch this video and be like, "What are you doing, girl?" Boom.